In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and password. Then click on the lock screen password and tap on change password type. Following that, apply the best one for you by clicking on it. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern, or alphanumeric password. Then you need to create it and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, hit done at the bottom right corner. Then if you wish to add a fingerprint right away, select add in the pop-up. If you don't, tap on cancel. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!